Just a few more things about the list. So suppose I have a string X, okay, and it's a sentence. I have hello, how are you today, okay, and I want to split this sentence with respect to some delimiter. So it's the comma here. I'm gonna split whenever I see a comma, and that will give me a list of strings, okay. So if you run the first part here, then you are going to get the first output, and that's gonna basically split our sentence with respect to the comma. So that gives hello, how are you, and today as 4 elements of this list. So here I'm printing this my list, okay. So actually we can just run this part, okay. And suppose I want to sort my list, okay, alphabetically with respect to the first elements in each term here, in each element of the list. And if I want to sort it, if I want to actually print this directly, so let me show this one first to see the difference. So if I print my list sort, so this is actually sorting the original my list, okay, and it's just directly changing my list. But this method, sort method, does not return anything, okay. So whenever you print this whole statement, it's going to return you none, okay, because there is no return of this function that you are applying, okay. But if you actually, instead of printing this statement, if you print just my list, okay, if you just print my list, then you can see this is already sorted, okay, because my list already changed now, and I'm printing my list. So this is something we need to pay attention. And if you want to remove an element from our list, then we can just use the del, delete basically operator, and I can just define which elements. If I want to delete the index 1, which corresponds to the second element, then I put here 1. Or if you want to delete the third element, then you put 2, okay, just like this. And if you basically run, you can see the first element ru in this sorted list has disappeared, okay, so that's been deleted.